Disease is often thought of as a battle between man and germs. Yet in nature, the story is rarely so simple. Murine typhus is a disease caused by a microscopic bacterium called Rickettsia typhi. The organism is far too small to be seen without a microscope, but it survives by moving through a network of animals and insects that most people rarely notice. The disease is commonly associated with rodents, particularly rats, as well as the fleas that feed upon them. These animals act as natural hosts, allowing the bacteria to circulate quietly through the environment. Humans are not the intended target. We become infected only when we accidentally enter this cycle. A flea feeding on an infected animal can pick up the bacteria later. When that flea feeds again, the bacteria may be left behind on the skin through scratching, tiny breaks in the skin, or contact with contaminated flea debris. The bacteria can enter the body. Once inside, the bacteria travel through the bloodstream and begin attacking the thin layer of cells that line the body's blood vessels. These blood vessels are like highways carrying oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. When they become inflamed, the body's normal systems begin to struggle. The first signs of murine typhus often resemble the flu. Fever develops suddenly, headaches become severe, muscles ache, fatigue sets in, and even simple tasks may feel exhausting. Some people develop a rash across their chest, back, arms, or legs. Others may experience nausea, stomach discomfort, or a dry cough. Because the symptoms are similar to many common illnesses, murine typhus can be difficult to recognize without medical testing. Fortunately, the disease is usually very treatable. Doctors can prescribe antibiotics that stop the bacteria from multiplying. Most people recover completely when treatment begins early. The disease also teaches an important lesson about health and the environment. Human beings do not live apart from nature. We share our surroundings with animals, insects, and countless microorganisms. Changes in one part of this system can affect every other part. For this reason, controlling fleas, reducing rodent populations, and maintaining clean living conditions remain important tools for preventing infection. Murine typhus reminds us that some of nature's most powerful forces are invisible. A bacterium too small to see, carried by a flea no larger than a grain of rice, can produce illness throughout the human body. Yet it also demonstrates the power of science. By understanding how disease moves through the natural world, physicians and researchers have learned not only how to treat murine typhus, but how to prevent it as well. In the end, the story of murine typhus is a story of connection between animals, insects, microorganisms, and ourselves.